In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit messages in Discord. If you've ever sent a message and immediately spotted a typo, missed a detail, or just want to rephrase something for clarity, editing is the quickest way to fix it without sending a follow-up. You can only edit your own messages, and when you do, Discord will mark them as edited, so everyone knows the text was updated. Start by opening Discord and heading to the channel or direct message where the original message was sent. It helps to scroll just enough so the message you want to fix is fully visible on your screen. Remember, you're looking for a message that you personally sent. You won't be able to edit someone else's message or a system notification. Move your mouse over your message. As you hover on the right side, you'll see controls appear, including a small pencil icon for editing or a three-dot menu. The pencil is a direct shortcut to editing. If you see the three dots, click that to open the menu, then choose the Edit option. Both routes take you to the same place. Once you click Edit, your message becomes editable in place. The text will appear in a box where you can make your changes. This is the moment to fix spelling, add missing context, or remove anything you don't want included. If you use formatting like bold, italics, or code blocks, you can adjust that here as well. Mentions and links can be updated too. Just make sure the final version says exactly what you intend. A helpful tip while you're editing. If you want to add a new line without saving the message yet, press Shift plus Enter to insert a line break, so you don't accidentally finish early. When you're satisfied with the changes, press Enter to update the message or click the Save or Send button if it appears. Your message will refresh for everyone in the conversation, and a small edited tag will display to indicate it's been changed. The message keeps its original position in the conversation, so the flow of chat remains intact. That's all there is to it. Editing is a great way to keep your messages clean and accurate. If you significantly change the meaning of a message, consider adding a quick note in the updated text to keep things transparent, especially in busy servers or teamwork channels. With these simple steps, you can clean up mistakes in seconds and keep your conversations clear and professional.